us. Never jump on the train like Urulus. See, back in the days it was dangerous to go walk down the street with a hand of kush with. Nowadays we can blaze all day, different flavors every gig I play. Sprinkles on top, birthday cake, dip it in cheap for the special occasion. See, I only buy straight from the farmer, no government marijuana, but I do have a few exceptions. Open weed map and I hit directions. Nowadays everybody wanna act like they got the crips, but nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of small hits, pass that shit, let me light it with Trish.
I think I just killed that battery.